Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to tell you a topic, time management. Time management is very necessary and important in one's life. Nowadays, children waste time, people waste their time, and they said they have no time for doing any work. You know, one prime minister run country in 24 hours, CM run state, and collector runs district, and businessmen do his and her business on time. It depends on the time management. So all must know how to manage time. If you can manage your time, then you can do your work on time. So you can take out the time for entertainment, for your any other work, and you can take time for completing other activity also. That's why time management is required. Whenever children take admission in a school, he learns how to manage the time, because he is told to come on time, he is told to work on time, because in schools you learn everything is depend on time. On particular time period change, on particular time lunch is there, on particular time meeting is there, all things depend on time. Whenever you start doing any particular job in government or private sector, then you must know the importance of time, because on time you have to complete your work, you have to reach there in office on time, you have to do all other activities on time. So nowadays, time management is required. If you can manage your time, you can complete each and every task on time. You would not waste any single time, you would not waste anything. So I am just going to tell you, if you want to succeed in future, if you want to be a perfect businessman and perfect person, then you must know how to manage your time. And teachers should also teach the value of time to students. So students become punctual, and if students are punctual, then definitely they will do their work on time, they will succeed in life. You know, the person who is punctual, he would not waste any moment. Whenever he got a chance, he would entertain. Whenever he got a chance, so he will do incomplete work, and he is having time to meet friends, he is having time to do different activities, and one must have time to perform religious activities also, if they can manage their time, because they will know how, what time they should sleep, what time they should got up, what time they should get food, and what time they should do other activities, and what time they can take rest also, what time they can task complete. That's why time management is required. So I am going to tell you how would you manage your time, and how would you learn how to manage the time. That's why I gave you this spoken topic. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक और शेयर करें. यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.